A mirror. Apparently it used to have glass on it, but someone took it out probably to do copious amounts of cocaine so they could find the rest of the Hands of Time.
Walking and talking, hiker that sings. I'm Michael Wright, this is Adventures and Things.
Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today me and this bronze idiot are going to find the Hands of Time. It's like a little scavenger hunt in Victoria, British Columbia, where you find hand-related things. It's like a hand job today. So the first one is actually not right in Victoria, like Victoria's downtown. It's actually over across the bay. So you just have to walk. Actually, it's really nice. You walk across the Johnson Street Bridge and then you come over. You just follow the path and you should be able to see it. It's in some limestone. And this is number 1. Carving a canoe paddle. Really cool. This is pretty neat looking. This is number 2, holding a rail tie spike or railway spike or something. And like a good pun, I am a fan of this one. Number 3, performing with a fan. So this is number 4 on the list, and I believe it is Whitey's Blanket of Death or Carrying Point Blankets. I think it might actually be Carrying Point Blankets, but I'm pretty sure it's Whitey's Blankets of Death. And this is number 5, Carrying Books. As you can see, those are books for reading. So pigeons can read stuff when they poop. This is number 6, holding the binoculars. And I bet a lot of people have seen this one before and just didn't realize that it was part of something greater. So this is number 7, tying a rope to a mooring ring. And you can find it in Victoria. And this one here is number 8, panning for gold. So this is number 9, raising a teacup. And I think the most important hint about this is like what you do when you raise something. You look up. Keep that in mind, looking up. And this is number 10, holding a mirror. Apparently it used to have glass on it, but someone took it out probably to do copious amounts of cocaine so they could find the rest of the Hands of Time. And right beside this one is the map for all of them, so you can go around and find all the rest of them. I have 3 more to find. Okay, this is number 11, cupping my bulbs. Cupping some dogwood bulbs. That's it right there, cupping those bulbs. Oh yeah, you cup those bulbs, you dirty bronze hand, you. Alright, well, I've lost it. 1 more to get, and this show's over. All right, so I'm about to embark on Beacon Hill Park. Well, pretty much M&M. Trying to find the last one, but it's getting dark out, and this is a really big park, so it could really be anywhere. I really want to find this before it gets too dark, so I think I just have to look around in some like garden areas, because it's called digging up camas bulbs or digging up needles or something. I don't know. Okay, so I thought of a brilliant idea, and that is look up what a camas bulb is first and foremost. So I did, and it showed up with this the 12 Hands of Time thing, and it showed me what I'm looking for. It didn't show me where to look, but it gave me a hint, and I need to look over a camas bulb field or something like that, and it's on a rock. So I have a little bit to go on, so I might actually be able to make this before nightfall, but still not promising, because I don't know what a camas bulb is, or a camas flower, or whatever. Back to the internet though. And this is number 12, digging up camas bulbs. Once you figure out what camas bulbs are, in a quick Google search, you can find this no problem. That's all 12 Hands of Times found. Yep, I pretty much nailed it. It was a lot of fun, honestly. It's a good way to see the city. You get to go walk through the streets of the city looking for stuff. It's actually kind of cool. And then you get to end at Beacon Hill Park here, and you get beautiful views. If you end it at night and it's a clear night, you get a nice sunset, and it's pretty cool. You start over at West Vic, so I do suggest getting a picture of the map so you can start at number 1 and work your way over, because if you start where the map is, you kind of start in the middle of it and you're like, well, do I go to Beacon Hill first and work my way back, or do you like just kind of sporadically find them? So what I did was take a picture, started at number 1 and worked my way over to number 12 so I could hopefully catch a sunset here. It's not going to be that great because of cloud, but it was still a lot of fun. So anyways, if you liked this, click the me likey button. If you want more of these finding stuff or any adventure, I highly suggest subscribing. And well, I'll see you later.